How to get in touch with us. Company is located in Shaojiang City, Shandong Province. Land, sea and air transport, very convenient, with high-speed railway station. Can be said that conditions are blessed. Shandong Province is China's hometown of Confucius and Mencius, the birthplace of Mozi culture, industrial development, rich in resources. Visitors can get off at Tongzhou East Station, Tongzhou nearby Suzhou Guanyin Airport, Jinan Airport, Qingdao Port. Deep cultural heritage. What about our factory? Simple introduction. The factory was established in 2005 with an annual output value of 150 million. Factory building of over 20,000 square meters, now has a group of high-quality management personnel and capable technical team. The company has more than 120 employees, more than 10 mechanical, electrical, hydraulic technical personnel, 5 engineers, including 2 senior engineers in the industry, 1 graduate student.